Hi, this is Dr. Giuseppe Marinacci of Biohealth Holistic Dentistry. Have you ever heard about glyphosate? So glyphosate is a powerful herbicide, which means a weed killer, massively used for crops like soybeans, corn, wheat and grains. So what's the relationship between glyphosate and your mouth? So basically, if you're not eating organic and you're getting glyphosate from your non-organic foods, glyphosate in the gut can bind minerals like magnesium, zinc, calcium, making them non-absorbable, not available anymore to protect your teeth or to protect your bones or to make them stronger. At the same time, for example, magnesium is extremely essential to activate vitamin D. Without magnesium, we cannot activate vitamin D, and vitamin D is extremely important for bone and teeth health. So if you have an extraction, a dental extraction, for example, and your gut is, intoxicated with glyphosate, you're not going to absorb so much calcium and magnesium and zinc to regenerate the bone after your extraction, which can lead to a jawbone cavitation. With a lot of consequences in the long term in terms of overall health. If you're going to have an implant and glyphosate is still in your gut, obviously at the same time, you basically increase the risk of implant failure, that implant is not going to integrate with the surrounding bone. If you have a cavitation surgery and then minerals are not available because glyphosate is binding them, the risk is that your bone doesn't heal after your surgery and that you can get another cavitation after. So it's extremely important to understand that we should eat organic to avoid all of this stuff. And by the way, there are some studies showing that glyphosate is a very carcinogenic, and it can affect your overall health in different ways. So at Biohealth Holistic Dentistry, we can test you for glyphosate and tell you if you have any glyphosate in your gut that could affect your bone healing after any treatments. In that case, we would advise you to detox glyphosate in a proper way before having your treatments.